Hey guys, if you have seen The Purge in arcade, I hate it. It's kind of scary, I guess, but I get nightmares even if I don't get scared of it. I don't understand why they make this movie, but I know. Yeah. Sorry about my dogs. I'm on my kitchen table right now because my phone's charging on the thing. Okay. It's meant for iPhone. Charging for iPhone or iPad. Yay. Sorry I keep looking at the screen. I like it. I like the movie, but I'm going to the bed soon. I won't be able to finish the movie. Sorry, I'm not talking loud. Mom's in the living room. Zoe, don't even think about it. Zoe. Come here, Mama. Oh. Come here, muda mais. Oh, come here, What's this? Come on. She pinned me. I love her. She pinned me. Pin her. I need to plug my home computer right now. Jada, I know you're watching this, hopefully. If I can get you. Guys, I think now, since I'm not actually on the bus, I should do this. Half my teeth is in my cap, and the other half is in the bottom of my mouth where it should be. I'm kind of worried about that, but in other words, not really. Well, I want to tell you guys something really exciting. We're doing the jump over art thing at school, and the max is 5 people, but there was 2 kids that were absent, and so we already had 5 people, and then the gym teacher added another person, which made it where we had 6, and a lot of people were saying that we had really, really good things. Sorry. But our gym teachers trying to choose groups of people who have been doing the thing, the jump over art thing in front of assembly, and all the kids were saying that we should do it, that our group should be able to do it because we did really good with a lot of people. So I don't really know, and well, peace.